Hello, I am going to show you how do you make a calculator, simple calculator, all the addition calculator, subtraction calculator, all the calculators. So let us start with the subtraction calculator. Okay, now we will do number dash 1 equals to 8. Then we don't need this input. Okay, what is it? Enter your first number. Okay, and then we will put 2 times this. Okay, the same way we will do the second one. Okay, now we'll just make this first as second number. You can make it how much digits you want, but in this we are doing only 2 digits. Okay, now we need to do this number 1 plus number 2. So see this code. Now in this brackets we'll put number 1 plus number 2, but it's not just number and 1, not like that. I'll show you how. Number underscore 1. Okay, and whatever you're doing, like addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, those all signs. If you do number 1 underscore 1 plus number 2, whatever you entered in number 1 and number 2, that number 1, whatever number you entered, that number plus the number 2, whatever you entered will happen. But if you put minus that number, whatever you entered in that number 1, that number 1 plus the number 2, understood? Multiplication is also like that. That 1, number 2, 1, whatever you have entered, that number will multiply by the second number. And like that, divide. It will divide the number which you entered in number 1 and that plus number 2. Okay, this is okay. Now let's do number 1. What is the operation? It is minus now. So let's put minus operation. Minus number 2. So this is how we are going to do. Okay. So here we are doing number and then we are giving the underscore and then we are giving a plus and then we are giving number 2. But here we are giving number and then we are giving this, both are the same. That was the error. Now do you see it's come correct? Now for subtraction we are finished making a calculator. Okay, so I'll just show you how it works. If I keep 3 and then keep next 1, it does 2. But you might be taking that only basic, only 1 digit. It does. See, if I give 366 plus 567, do you see? It's given the answer. So even the smaller than that it does, or it does to lakhs, crores, it does both. It does accurate answers come. Now let me do the addition one. Addition. Okay. Okay, I'm just putting some name because I'm just teaching now. So that's why. After this, I will make all the. Now we have finished doing the subtraction addition. Now I will show you the code for the addition calculator. So this is the code for the addition. It's just simple. We will put the same number 1 number underscore 1 equals to int. Same two lines will put. See, if you see for the before one, these two lines were the same, but what was changing was only one's operator sign. You know that? That I'll tell you. Here, print number 1, number underscore 1 and number underscore 2 both are same, but the sign matters. Okay, if you put it like 3 divided by 1, answer will not come correct, it will come 1. So it will add that 3 apples plus the 1 apple and 4 it will give. So it is just going to matter what's operator you're going to put here in middle of number 1 plus number 2. So whatever sign you give, that sign it will do. That sign will do. So you should always be knowledge of what is it plus, minus or what. Okay, so now the same code is for the addition calculator. I'm just going to give you some kind of 5 minutes, some time for you to copy this. I will wait. Copy? Okay. So the same way, now you can copy this. I move to the next one. So it's just like this. Okay, now we will do multiplication. You can pause and do the code. No need to keep it moving. So multiplication calculator. Okay. So the same way we'll do, but now let's do number underscore 1 equals to int input and then again like this brackets, like this we are doing input and then put 2 apostrophes, enter your first number.
Drink of class is starting now.
Enter your first number. Okay, and then we will do and then enter your second number. Okay, this number 2. Okay, now I'll just give you time for you to write the code. So here I'll just copy this and then I'm going to delete everything and then put this, and you can pause and then do it, pause and then write the code, but now I'm moving ahead. So here what you need to change is only one operator, I've already told you, and that is this. So you need to only change this. So I will put this as, because it's multiplication, I will put a star. But how will I put star? Do shift and then star, and that star is on 8. Okay, so now we have finished with this. Now let's do one more. Press Python and then do division calculator. Okay, code I thought and did it. Okay. Now we'll again do the same thing. What we'll do, you pause and then you can continue. But see here, number /1 equals to int, and then we will put one bracket like this, and again one bracket the same way, and then we will put input and enter your first number. But you not make see, there is something which you have not observed. These two lines. But if you don't put this, it's wrong. So that's why you see it's so good. But now we're going to test whether it works the same. Okay. Now if you do 4 and then 4, it gives 8. Means that was not needed. It was just like blanked up, not using. So if you have given an error that time, so now. Okay. Now division is done, but this was giving addition. So now the same way, we need to change only one operator. The same way I've told you 2 times. Okay. So what we are going to put is the operator for divide, but because it's not there in the computer, we will put this. This is also same as divide. Okay. Now let's print. You might have known. So you will not know the version which I'm using. I'm using Python 3.8.2 version. Bye everyone. See you in the next video of mine. And do not forget to subscribe, like and dislike if you like it. But always subscribe and like my channel. This one I did by myself. And see you in the next video of mine. And also try to see my videos and try to learn it from me. Okay, so bye everyone. Okay.